You know I want you. It's not a secret I try to hide. You know you want
Before anything else, can I just say na ang lakas mo kay Lord kasi natuloy tayo today. Our love story is not a love at first sight kind of love. Well, as for me, di ko sure yung sa'yo.
Maybe sa wakas, natapos na yung 5 years na paghihintay. Nandito na tayo ikakasal. Matutupad na yung pangarap mo.
It's all my destiny. What if we rewrite the stars? Say you were made to be mine. Nothing could keep us apart. You'd be the one I was meant to find.
Today is really a dream come true and I'm glad it's you because I can't imagine anyone else unless it's Dong Joki. I don't know how an Erin can deserve a Patrick, so thank you for marrying me today. It has always been my dream to walk down the aisle with you.
You think it's easy?
Pat, this is for the wounds that never heal. The more you push, the more you feel. Ow!
There are doors that we can walk through. I know you're wondering why, because you're able to be just
Baby, I can't wait to marry the love of my life, my best friend. May mga away today. You are truly my dream girl, my soulmate. Love your husband.
no one can rewrite the stars. How can you say you
Pangarap ko na gawin kang Mrs. Gonzales. Hindi ko sasayangin yung paghihintay mo sa akin. Mamahalin kita ng buong buo galing sa puso.
It's not up to me when everyone tells us what we can be. And how can we rewrite the
stars? Say you were made to be mine, and nothing can keep us apart. 'Cause you are the one I was meant to find. It's up to you.
A round of applause. I am about to welcome the new Mr. and Mrs. Gonzales!
The stars, changing the world to be ours.
Today, I am fulfilling your lifelong wish to the Lord kasi sabi mo, pinagdasal mo ako. I can really say na malakas ka kay Lord. You've traveled into places across the world to chase your dreams and sa huli, ako pala yung pangarap mo.
my hands are tied?
Baby, I'm falling head over heels, looking for ways to let you know just how I feel. I wish I was holding.
Sino ba naman mag-aakala? Yung high school crush ko, dream girl ko, lang noon, siya pala yung aamin na may gusto siya sa akin. Siyempre, I'll grab the opportunity, hindi na kita pakakawalan. Lalo na ngayon, ikakasal na tayo, sa akin ka na talaga.
To the man who made an effort to pursue me a little too late, 5 years ago, and still never fail to make an effort despite our distance, thank you for always choosing me over and over again.
To my most favorite person in this life. Hi baby, being my husband is really the only gift you need, but since you are so dear to me, here's two. Later tonight will be my last gift and definitely your most favorite gift from me. Later, baby, I love you so much. Mama naman, iyak eh.
Sana maging maayos ang buhay.
Good luck sa magiging buhay. Hindi kami lang.
Kakasal na ako.
And if I can't break enough,
Just be happy. Enjoy life.
I give up everything I have, girl, just for you.
Erin,
Ibinibigay ko sa iyo
binibigay ko sa iyo
ang singsing na ito
ang singsing na ito
bilang tanda
bilang tanda
ng aking tapat
ng aking tapat
at dalisay
at dalisay
na pag-ibig sa iyo.
sa pag-ibig sa iyo.
Pinapakasalan kita
Pinapakasalan kita
sa ngalan ng Ama,
sa ngalan ng Ama,
ng Anak,
ng Anak,
ng Espiritu Santo.
ng Espiritu Santo.
Amen.
Amen.
I can't keep myself from falling. Right time at the right moment. It's you. Every night in my bed I'm dreaming that it's you in my arms I'm holding. Girl, all I want.
Baby, our love story is full of waiting and delays, and it was never been so easy. But we're finally here, one step closer into breaking the distance. I get to marry my high school best friend. And I can finally say that our love is worth the wait and delays.
It's you.
Ang sarap sa pakiramdam na yung pangarap kong babae, magiging asawa ko na. Napakaswerte ko. Kasi ako yung napili mo. Ako yung minahal mo. Susuklian ko yon ng habang buhay na pagmamahal at pag-aalaga. At syempre habang buhay na pag-aabot ng sahod. Sabi nga nila, happy wife, happy life. Yun yung magiging motto ko ngayon. I love you so much.
You.